What's going on, guys, and welcome to our channel, Cookies Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here at Universal City, where we're staying for the next 2 nights, right with Universal Studios Hollywood behind us. And in this video, guys, we're just gonna take you around on day number 1, which is pretty much a ride to this hotel. We're gonna head to City Walk and Universal Hollywood. We got a couple of errands to do. I gotta get my new silver pass as an annual pass holder because the one that I had is no longer valid. It's from last year. We got the kids tickets because they have a really great special going on. You actually buy 1 day and they give you the second free, so I gotta get their ticket before obviously entering the park. We're gonna start checking the Halloween Horror Nights merchandise for Hollywood because you bet your bottom dollar we are gonna get some HHN Hollywood merch. Walk through the park and do some errands here and there, and get ready for Halloween Horror Nights tonight, and then, which is gonna be a separate video, and another video tomorrow on a day on the park with us. So we got a lot to cover. Hope you guys enjoyed these adventures. Anyway, guys, so if you enjoyed this type of content, traveling, Universal, Disney, we highly suggest that you stick around because these two have a bunch to show you. Also, we suggest that you
subscribe and smash that like button
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Family, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it.
I could show you how to defeat
We gotta adapt to this weather. Welcome to.
It feels like Florida. Did you bring your towel?
No, I didn't bring no towel today. It is hot.
Hold on, I'm so sorry.
Trying to get Karen on frame and she's like moving away from me, but it is extremely hot. Yeah. You know, when you start having difficulties breathing, that's when you're like, okay, this is like Florida. So you know what? Florida has trained us all this time for this kind of weather. It is over 100 degrees.
And yet we're still like we haven't been in this before.
Well, because we always hope for good weather. That's why we come here. But apparently to this, I don't know if you guys can see that. Well, it says 103. Yikes. I always enjoy seeing this big pond over here. Got the turtle, koi fish. No, we're not supposed to neither feed them or touch them.
Well, they're looking for food though.
They are.
We're not supposed to feed them.
So at the moment of recording, we don't have tickets yet on our hands for Halloween Horror Night. We bought them,
We don't have them.
but we don't have them. We cannot even find the email that has the barcode.
But I have the confirmation because I took a picture of the screen.
Karen screenshot at the confirmation number. So again, if this is gonna help anybody, make sure that you screenshot everything and save it, because there's so much paperwork to deal with.
It's a lot when you come here, especially for us since we do Disney and Universal. We gotta do the Disney stuff, the Oogie Boogie tickets. You know, the reservation for the resort for Disney, the Oogie Boogie tickets, then Universal Resort, then the Halloween Horror Night, and then regular park tickets. We need them. So it's a lot. It's a lot of confirmation. And as you can see, we're not as organized in that part.
No, I mean we are, but it's like also hard. Thank you, Carla, because they title things the same way, you know. So let's say we go to Universal Studios Orlando. When I went to customer service, I was pulling things from here instead of giving that one from Orlando. So it's a lot to deal with.
And we use different sites to do things. So some things we use to travel agencies, some things we don't. So it kind of gets confusing at the time. Since we do it so far ahead, it gets confusing by the time we come here.
You know what else is confusing? Why the hell are we walking in 103-degree weather? Definitely going down, hell lot easier than going up.
We'll figure that out when we come back, you know? Floridians are not used to hills.
And just like that, maybe it was about 8-minute walk. We made it. to Universal Studios Hollywood. I almost said Orlando, I'm so used to. Over here on the left hand side, it says Halloween Horror Night Combo entrance. Kind of cool, right? Those are the people that bought a ticket to be both during the day and during the night here at Universal Studios Hollywood for Halloween Horror Night. That's the gate that you use, at least at the time of recording. And this over here is the main entrance with the posters announcing the houses for this year. And I want to say this is where Karen and I have to go here to get services, as we need our ticket, both annual passes and the day tickets for the kids. So guest service is located to the right hand side. Man, we happen to be here at Universal Studios Guest Relation. Kind of cool to see the difference. Look at all that. Piece of history. Look, you know, we gotta check up on the merch. I know that this came out in Orlando. This is a popcorn bucket. This is the Minion Frankenstein, the Minion Monster. And this is the section I've been looking for, the Halloween merch. And everything dealing with Halloween. Got other props. That's kind of cool. Well, we had this one at home.
That's not new.
The jacket is kind of nice.
$90.
Kyla will wear that.
No, she won't.
Yeah, she would.
That's nice. Are we gonna get this back? I think we got, I know. That one's bigger.
Lil Boo make his presence here in Universal Hollywood. You're gonna wear that male's dying apron, man. Karen, that will be for you. And you bet your bottom dollar I am getting me this Murder of Crows, which is one of the scare zone over here, and it's exclusive for annual pass holder. Right over here. Universal Studios Hollywood Pass member. One thing they have not arrived in Orlando is the Slash shirt, and over here they have the Purge. Another thing that should be at Universal Studios Orlando, but they have it over here, is this Ghostbusters jacket. Looks pretty neat for $95. And in Universal Hollywood, we have the Weekend in here, exclusive for Hollywood, and you bet your bottom dollar. This is the Nightmare Trilogy. We're getting it.
You're getting it.
But we is me.
Oh, okay.
So far that makes number 3.
How many are you getting?
Me?
You know we have kids too.
Who?
Kids.
Nah. We always get stuff for kids.
No, you don't.
Carlos is actually showing the El Gran Evento, which is the one of the scare zone with the luchadores. Look, ahora presentando Muerte Azul. And Mint is attempting to say that he wants that. Carla, she's in love with that hoodie for the weekend.
I love it.
Show it. So that's what it is. Same as my shirt.
Yeah. But I really like this one.
I forgot saying this is $30.
I really like
for a
this
scare zone. Well, I'll give you a suggestion.
Okay.
Walk around, see what you like, what you experience. You're like, man, I love that house. I have to have that.
You're right.
And get it. And this year also, they actually did bring that some of the displays back from the series to Chucky. Look, it says on loan courtesy of Altarian Inc. Very interesting. That looks super freaky. Look at the amount of ears that he has in there. That's nuts. Wow.
Those are like creepy, you know? Like,
That's creepy. Like, you look at it and you think it's gonna kill me. Yeah, come after you. As a matter of fact, Chucky has a show during Halloween Horror Night where he's gonna be, I guess, roasting and picking on people. So hopefully we'll be able to check it out as well. I tell you why, there's a lot of merchandise this year. Well, we're getting the Hollywood exclusive.
Hollywood exclusive, yeah. We're not buying anything that we have back home.
Exactly. Plus, I could use my discount at home.
Correct.
It always feels great to be here at Universal Studios Hollywood. So, of course, we went shopping 200 something later, I went crazy.
Can't take him anywhere, guys.
I'm
But you know,
sorry.
he's always saying that I'm always saying no. Look, I did not stop him.
It's Universal Studio
I
Hollywood.
didn't stop him.
Look, I do wear a lot of Universal Studios. Sure. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Can I see that? Is that alright? What's up? Let's check this out, guys. He's holding my dream right there. Owning these two. That's awesome. Thank you. He's holding them around here at Universal. It's incredible how many changes you can find in 1 year. A year ago, there was a building in there. Now there's a new coaster going up over there for Fast and Furious. Why we cannot have that coaster? And I have a simple question.
Why?
Karen, why Orlando cannot do the freaking cups with straws? They gotta go with a cheap top, the socks, and once again we gotta come over here and buy a souvenir cup just for the straw.
That's shameful.
And by the way, we would have not bought it. We would have paid for the refill because we have we brought a cup, but apparently Kyla kept it. Hopefully.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
Because she had it last because we have water in it. So what we normally do, we bring 2 cups, we activate one just in case somebody wants something sweet, or Powerade.
Right. Which we're gonna need today.
Because we're gonna need it today and tomorrow. So tomorrow we may have to reactivate it again. And it's $12, I think, to reactivate. And then we bring a second one for water. And we always do that even at home.
We do that at home. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so we are actually heading back to the hotel. We got all the errands done. It says hotels to the right hand side. Now, very important, we came here again to activate our card, which is done. Kids, we gotta buy one day and get the other one free. Done. We came here to check out on the merch. That's done. We came here to ask about how things are going to be happening tonight. So we already know the dynamics. We ended up buying the cup to reactivate for the freestyle cup. So we have it for tonight. So that's done. And those are like pretty much how we pre-set up our HHN here in Hollywood. So now we're gonna head back to the room. One thing to keep in mind, as hot as it's still been, we'd rather walk, believe it or not, because we want to leave the shuttle for tonight. Right now, because tonight we're going to be exhausted. So right now, everything's going to be downhill, so it will be a lot easier to basically make it to the Hilton. Almost feel like it would be kind of nice if the Hilton will have an exit right over there, right? To connect. But there's also the Sheraton down there. So you could actually walk from the Sheraton over here and catch a shuttle all the way down here. Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
Oh, I forgot. Coffee run, Starbucks. Why not? Needed in this family.
We're in the wrong.
I'll be back.
Alrighty, guys. So there you have it here from Universal City Hilton. We're not in City Walk. It's Universal City. That's the fancy way of calling Universal when it's around what the locals call the valley. I learned today.
Yeah, we're in the valley.
In other words, once you pass the valley, you are in somewhat the hood. That's what I was told. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. I mean, we brought you to do errands with us around Universal. Who would have thought, right?
Yeah.
That I would start a video saying, hey, we gotta do errands.
Hey, that's how you do it sometimes.
Hey, but at least you guys know our workarounds and how can we cut time here and there rather than wait until we get there in the event. So, and now you know. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for opening night of Halloween Horror Nights here in Hollywood. Until then, sadly, this adventure has ended. With that said, we gotta remind everybody to
Subscribe and smash that like button, turn on the bell notifications.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. As number 2,
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you at the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom. Boom.
See ya.
Bye.